Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice jelly. First, you'll need to select the right type of rice for the best texture. We'll cover the simple ingredients and the initial preparation steps to get you started. This recipe is straightforward and yields a wonderfully unique dessert or snack. Get ready to create something truly special with just a few common items from your pantry. To begin, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of short grain rice and 4 cups of water. Short grain rice is ideal for its starch content, which helps achieve the desired jelly consistency. Rinse the rice several times until the water is completely clear, removing excess starch. Then, soak the rinsed rice in 2 cups of fresh water for about 30 minutes to soften it slightly before cooking. After soaking, combine the rice with the remaining 2 cups of water in a pot and cook until the rice is extremely soft and mushy. This might take a bit longer than regular rice. Once cooked, transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it's perfectly smooth with no visible grains. Finally, pour this smooth liquid into your chosen mold and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until firm. Once firm, carefully unmold your rice jelly. You can slice it into desired shapes and serve it with a variety of toppings like fresh fruit, honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's a versatile treat. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers. Enjoy your homemade rice jelly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.